did not do a pattern yesterday. So let's see if we can finish our pattern, because look at all these days that we're going to have to do. There is no school tomorrow, which is Friday the 16th, because Mrs. Nzingo and Mrs. Hill have got to go to school themselves. We have some learning that we have to do. There will be no school on Saturday or Sunday because it is the weekend, and there is no school on Monday because we are doing some testing. So look at all these days we have to look at the pattern and figure out the pattern for. So let's come up here. I'm going to take one of these and bring it down, and one of these and bring it down. Oops, why did that give me two?
I don't know. There isn't another rain cloud.
I'll just delete that one. Alright, we're going to clone this. Alright, are we ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to start all the way back here
One.
on Easter. And it was, actually we're going to start here on the day after Easter. So we have a cloud, cloud, flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower, flower, cloud, cloud. Very good. Alright, so let's come back here. We have flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower, I'll go here. Flower. Alright, what do you think goes here? A cloud. Good job. Let's be tricky. What do you think goes here? Very good. Another cloud. Let's see if you can get this one right. What do you think? Is it going to be a cloud or a flower? Oh, let's come back here. Ready? Flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower, flower, cloud, cloud, flower. Good job. All right. We said that it was going to be partly sunny outside today. Is it sunny at all? No, we'll delete that. What is the weather like outside today?
Raining.
Raining. It rained this morning. But what is it out like? What is it doing outside right now? What's it like outside right now?
Cold.
Cloudy. It's just cloudy out there now. It rained this morning, and now it's just cloudy. Let's make a prediction. What do we think tomorrow's weather is going to be like? What's it going to be like tomorrow? Oh, I like that one. I'm putting that down quick before somebody changes their mind. It is going to be sunny tomorrow. I hope so. All right, let's say our ABCs. Ready?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Nice job. All right, let's go ahead and count all the way to 20. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Good job. Counting backwards from 10. 10,
9,
numbers. What number is this? It's got a 1 in front of it, so what number would that be?
19.
19. How about this number here?
7.
How about this number down here? 16. Good job. What number is this?
3.
3. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Good job. What coin is this? It is a penny. How much is a penny worth?
1 cent.
1 cent. What color is a penny? Brown. Yep. What shape is, what coin is this? Anybody know what this one is? This is a nickel.
Nickel.
And a nickel is worth 5 cents.
5.
So this 1 nickel is worth the same as these 5 pennies. Yep. So a nickel is worth 5 cents. What is this?
Nickel.
A nickel. And how much is a nickel worth?
5 cents.
5 cents. The letters that we have worked on so far are L,
F,
F,
E,
H,
T,
I, U, C, O, Q.
A,
What letter is this?
G,
G,
S,
S,
J,
J,
D,
D, and
T.
P. The new letter we are working on is B.
B.
And B says
B,
like balloons. Who's this? Belle.
Bell.
Belle from Beauty and the Beast. What is this down here?
Bat.
A bat. And
Bat.
Batman. Where do we start our letters? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Reach up.
Way up at the top. Yes, it's the top.
Reach out and touch the top. Reach down. Way down. Bottom.
Yes, it's the bottom.
Reach out and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do
start your letters at the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top.
Is this the top?
Top.
No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle.
Top. You start your letters at the top.
All right. All right, so we are building what letter? B. We are building the letter B.
B.
Our mats are on the floor. Our pieces are at the top of our mats. And your hands are in your lap, your voices are off, and your listening ears are turned on. Mrs. Hill's going to start with the big line down. Big line down. And then what do I do next? I need to get this little curve, and I'm going to put it at the top. What letter did I make here? P. That's right, that's a P. Are we making P today?
No.
No, we're making the letter B. So I'm going to take this other little curve, and we're putting it at the bottom. So we have a little curve at the top and a little curve at the bottom. So when I build this letter B, I say big line down, frog jump up, a little curve, little curve. Big line down, frog jump up, little curve, little curve. Awesome job. So let's go ahead and you try. Take your piece from the top, your big line down. And we put it where?
At the top.
Under
Smiling face.
Mr. Matt's smiling face. We put that big line down. We do a frog jump up, and then what do you do next?
Little
curve.
curve at the top.
We put a little curve. And then what do we do last? We take our other little curve and we put it at the bottom.
Nice job.
Excellent job. So we have this big line down, a frog jump up, a little curve at the top, and a little curve at the bottom. And we made what? The letter B. Good job. The letter B.
You look at me like,
That is all for today. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you next week on Tuesday.
On
Tuesday.
Have a good day.
Have a great weekend.
See you on
Bye.
Monday.